Well, here we are, 4th of July, with the Team Spec Mafia president and the vice president. Just hooked on the fish, but she lost it. There are birds working here. We're at the island near the floodgate. It's absolutely beautiful. Fish cranes actually set down in the water. Wow, they're circling over there too. Usually when they circle, that means fish. And then absolute beautiful day. Right across there is top water and latitudes. Here's a marker. Here's the Boat Store Sportsman checking weather conditions. There's a little reef right there. It's absolutely pretty here. They got the Gulf side coming in, and we got the shallow side where they're feeding with the shrimp and baits coming in towards the shallows and the island. We've tried lures and not doing with the flip. Getting spongy strikes, but not catching. I guess we're gonna move on no matter how good it is here. Alright, we'll try later.